In this video, we're going to look at the next kind of doublings that we have. So these are C doublings. So the C doubling is going to be on C. The grace notes are going to be G grace note and D grace note. So the C doubling on its own is going to look like this. Okay, so let me go ahead and demonstrate for you the C doubling scale at 60 beats per minute. All right, so notice that the last two bars of the first line of the doubling scale, just like all the other doubling scales that we've done so far, have half C doublings there. And that's because we're coming from high G and coming from high A, where we can't do that high G grace note. If you're having a hard time with this scale, it's probably because you're having a hard time going from each scaled note to C and back and forth. So I'd recommend trying the scale without the doublings first, making sure you're really comfortable doing that without any crossing noises, and then coming back to the doubling scale and you'll have a much easier time. So good luck, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.